Wijerathna W.M.M.T under the registration number 4291. Let's see the configurations of switch. We use PuTTY to configure our switch, and this is the interface of PuTTY. VLAN 10 is assigned to the network admin, and VLAN 20 is assigned to the lectures, and VLAN 30 is assigned to the non-academic, and VLAN 40 is assigned to the students, and finally VLAN 50 is assigned to the DM. 24th port is used as the trunk port from the firewall to the switch. This is Sonic firewall, and this is the management port, and this is the X node port which use to connect to the switch, and this is the X2 port which used to the demilitarization zone. This is act as a router to the switch. This is fast Ethernet ports, and this is respectively this is 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Respectively, it is assigned to the VLAN 10, 20, 30, and 40. Those are act as respectively network admin, lecture, non-academic staff, and student. Now we are going to configure Sonic Firewall with GUI of the computer. So first configure the IP address, and after IP address we can add subnet mask, and after adding default gateway we can close the window, and now we are going to the browser and enter the IP address relevant to the firewall's GUI. Let's enter the username and password abc add to hash. Okay, now we can see the dashboard. Let's add a interface. Press add virtual interface, and for the moment network admin for the X node, and entering these details and enable all protocols, and we can okay. So now we are going to give the access. So we can select the from and to zones to add the rules. So this is sample for network admin and lecture. So also in this way we can add non-academic to lecture roles. So we can see the access rules we can see. So now students to lecture as in the task 3, and so after that enter. So we can check the IP address by ifconfig So this is a student's laptop. So this is 192.168 and 3.101. So we can see it ping. So it is successful connection between a student and lecturer. So this is uh, this is so let's enter IP configure part, and we can see the IP 3.101, which means this is lectures laptop. So now we are going to ping to the student, which is 5.101. So we can see it successfully meaning that's the task.
I'm Wijetunga I.U under the registration number 4303. First, we will create the firewall rules in Sonic call. Now, we will add the lecturer and non-academic rules to the firewall. Now, we will try to check the rules by pinning the IPs. First, we will try to pin lecturer from network admin. As you can see, it is successfully pinned. Now, we will try to pin network admin from lecturer. As you can see, it is successfully pinned. Now we will try to pin non-academic staff from network admin. As you can see, it is not pinned.
Yaparathna Y.M.S.K 4307. In here, we can see we add the rules to the Sonic call firewall. In here, we can see non-academic staff can access the printer. The network admin can access the printer. In here, we can see the students cannot access the printer. In here, we can see lecturers can access the printer.
Now I'm going to perform the final task, setting up roles between the DMZ and VLANs for student, lecturer, non-academic and network admin using the network admin's laptop. For each role, I will select the respective VLANs as sources and the DMZ as the destination. I won't add a role between network admin and DMZ since it already exists. Here I have configured the server using the laptop connected to DMZ zone with IP address http://10.50.10.101.50. Next, I'm going to VS Code to run a Next.js project locally on the DMZ server at the above IP address. Now I've moved to the non-academics laptop. First, I will ping the DMZ using its IP address. You can see the ping succeeded. Then let's open Chrome and navigate to the locally running next.js project. Now you can verify that it loads successfully.